Do you know that children become smarter not because they attend expensive schools, but because of a few simple activities they do at home every day? These simple activities help improve memory, problem-solving skills, creativity, focus, language development, and overall intelligence. So if you want to give your child a real mental advantage in life, stay with me until the end. Because activity number 5 is one of the most powerful. Let's begin. Activity number 1. Read together every day. Books are one of the greatest brain development tools ever created. When children listen to stories, their brains work much harder than when they watch videos. They imagine characters. They picture scenes. They predict what happens next. They learn new words, and they strengthen their memory. Research shows that regular reading improves language skills, comprehension, concentration, and critical thinking, all important parts of intelligence. The best part? You don't need to read for an hour. Even 15 to 20 minutes daily can make a huge difference. Parent tip: while reading, ask questions like, what do you think will happen next? Why did the character do that? What would you do in this situation? These questions stimulate deeper thinking and problem solving. Remember, children who read regularly don't just gain knowledge, they train their brains to think. Activity number 2. Play brain challenging games. Most parents think playtime is separate from learning, but smart play is actually one of the best forms of learning. Games like puzzles, building blocks, Lego, chess, memory cards, and Sudoku for kids help develop important cognitive skills. When children solve puzzles, they learn logical thinking, pattern recognition, spatial intelligence, and problem solving. Their brains are literally creating stronger neural connections. Instead of handing your child a phone whenever they're bored, challenge them with a puzzle or a brain game. At first, they may struggle. That's a good sign. Growth happens when the brain is challenged. Activity number 3. Encourage curiosity through questions. Highly intelligent children are usually curious children. Unfortunately, many parents unknowingly shut down curiosity. A child asks, "Why is the sky blue?" And the parent replies, "Stop asking so many questions." This is a missed opportunity. Questions are how children's brains learn. So, whenever your child asks something, encourage the conversation. Even if you don't know the answer, you can say, "That's a great question. Let's find out together." This teaches critical thinking, research skills, curiosity, and independent learning. This way, a curious child becomes a lifelong learner, and lifelong learners tend to become highly intelligent adults. Activity number 4. Physical exercise and outdoor play. This may surprise you. One of the best ways to improve brain power is through physical movement. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain. More blood flow means more oxygen. More oxygen means better brain performance. Children who regularly run, jump, climb, cycle, and play outdoors often show better focus, memory, attention span, and learnability. Physical activity also reduces stress and improves mood, which helps children learn more effectively. So don't think of outdoor play as wasted time. Think of it as brain training. Try to give your child at least 30 to 60 minutes of active play every day. Their body and brain will both benefit. Activity number 5. Teach problem solving through everyday challenges. This is one of the most powerful building activities. Instead of solving every problem for your child, allow them to think. For example, instead of immediately helping them find a lost toy, ask, "Where did you use it last?" Instead of tying their shoes every time, teach them and let them practice. Instead of giving answers, ask guiding questions. When children solve problems themselves, they develop analytical thinking, decision-making skills, independence, and confidence. All these factors play a huge role in intelligence. The brain grows stronger when it works. Remember, don't be your child's problem solver. Be their thinking coach. Bonus activity: limit passive screen time. Let's be honest, screens have become the modern babysitter, but too much passive screen time can reduce opportunities for learning and creativity. This doesn't mean technology is bad. The key is balance. So, replace some screen time with reading, family discussions, building activities, creative play, and outdoor games. The goal is to engage the brain rather than simply entertain it. Final note: if you want a smarter child, remember this: Intelligence is not built in a single day. It's built through small daily habits. So start with these 5 simple activities. Read together every day. Play brain-challenging games. Encourage curiosity and questions. Promote physical activity. And teach problem-solving skills. These activities cost little or nothing, but the impact on your child's future can be enormous. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which of these activities will you start with today? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.